Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to make black bean burgers. Something I've never made before. I have had veggie burgers before, they were pretty tasty. So I decided to scour the internet and found a recipe that it's fairly simple, but sounds pretty good. So if it sounds good to you too, stick around and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, I did some prep work. I got my vegetables and stuff all minced up, everything all measured out. I'll kind of go through, I'll put the recipe down in the description of the quantities and stuff, but this is quinoa, minced garlic, salt, yellow bell pepper, onion, egg, cumin, breadcrumbs. I got hot sauce, and then here's our black beans. And the first thing you got to do is, after you open your black beans, you got to rinse them off really good and let them drain really well. So put those into a bowl. It says to mash them up. Leave a few whole beans, but you kind of want to make a paste. So we're going to do this. Like I said, I have had other black bean burgers, I guess you'd call it, before, and they were pretty tasty. So, and I'm always up to try new things. So, all right. Looks pretty well mashed up, so we just need to go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. So I'm going to start out with the egg. Get our egg in there, our that stuff, the onions. That's fresh chopped onion, garlic. Now I don't usually use a lot of salt in my recipes, but this one called for it. I never made it before, so I don't know how it's going to be. So there's our cumin. And give me a second, I'll grab the hot sauce. It says for 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, so this is Frank's. I am out of the other stuff I usually use, so I'm sure Frank's will be fine. If I can get it in there without spilling it everywhere. A little bit more. There you go. We'll make it just a little bit more spicy. Alright, so now we just need to get this all combined up. So and you know what? I'm going to get my hands in there because it's not combining up the way I want it to with a fork. So your hands are your best mixing utensils anyways. Alright, that looks good and combined. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit and then let all that moisture and everything be absorbed by the breadcrumbs and all that. So when that gets done, we'll bring you all back. Alright y'all, we got a little olive oil heated up here in the pan, and it says this will make five patties. So we're going to kind of smoosh it out. If we get 5, that's cool. If we get more than 5, that's even better. So kind of pack them around there, make them kind of tight. It says to cook them 3 to 5 minutes on each side. So stuff is sticky, I'm telling you. And it looks like we'll get about 5 patties out of here, so I can smell all them ingredients, that garlic, the hot sauce, you know, cumin. All right. Rinse my hands off. We'll cook these up. Alright y'all, it's been about 3 minutes or so, let's see if we can flip one of these over here. Oh, it's cooking nicely. Nope. That one I kind of broke apart a little bit, but I think it'll be alright. So, alright, I'm going to continue cooking these up, and we'll bring you back when we get them all totally cooked up. Alright y'all, while those last 2 are cooking, we're going to go ahead and do our taste test because I can't wait. It smells so good. Now they did fall apart a little bit whenever I was taking them out, the first 3. So we're just going to try it. That's pretty good. Have a little more of that. You taste all the flavors in there, the garlic, the bell pepper, the cumin, the hot sauce. And the hot sauce is real faint in it, so, but I did take and I've had, I had to have some burger with, these are supposed to be burgers, so we're going to try it as a burger. Now it's just plain, there's no mayonnaise or anything on it, no cheese, so. That is really good. It's on rye bread. Maybe throw a little cheese on there. That is delicious. So, yeah, that quinoa and black bean burger gets a thumb up from me. I enjoyed it. So, beverage of the day. Got beverage of the day. It's just the coffee, as usual. But, yeah, like I said, I think it needs a little more binder. Maybe another extra egg, a little more breadcrumb, something to get it to kind of bind together a little better. The edges kind of fell apart a little bit, so. But flavor, awesome. So, hope you're all going to try this. Broaden your horizons. I always like trying something new. Don't know what you like unless you try it. So, I like that. I tried this. I like it. I'll probably make it again. So, appreciate y'all. Please, if you would, hit that thumbs up button down. Leave me a comment. Tell me if you're going to try it or not. That'd be awesome. I like having the comments there where people say they're going to try this or they thought it was a pretty decent recipe. So, anyways, thank you all. Appreciate it. Come on into the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Sunday evenings, Eastern time. Hang out with us, chat, have a good time. So, that's all I got for you today. Appreciate y'all, and as always, bon appetit. Bye.